Most businesses lose sales not because they have a bad product, but because they forget to call back. Leads will wait for days and no one sees it until it is too late. Fixing this problem usually takes days of hard work, but GoHighLevel AI did it in minutes. I used one single prompt and told GoHighLevel AI, build me a sales team. And in just a few minutes, it built the whole system. It made the lists, it added the tags, and set up the alerts to remind your team to act. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact prompt that I used. I'll show you how to paste it in and let AI do all of the work for you. That way you can have a 24/7 sales machine. All right, so I'm not going to waste any of your time, and I'm just going to show you exactly what I did because losing sales is a huge problem, especially for high-level users. So this is my pipeline, okay? It is a marketing pipeline. If we come right in here and we click this lead right here, you will see that they have not been followed up with. If you look at any statistics, this is not my opinion, if you look at any statistics, you have to follow up to 7 times to get the sale on average. It is like fact, like just do the research. This is not from me. You have to follow up. Also, speed to lead is huge. And so many of you guys are either not following up, okay, or you're not even properly dialing in your sales process. And because of this, you are literally losing thousands of dollars per month, sometimes tens of thousands. And for some of you bigger guys, hundreds of thousands. And I'm telling you right now, this can be solved. And the way I did it was with this exact prompt that I'm going to be giving you for free. So without further ado, I'm going to go through this. If you have any questions at all during this video at any time, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer them personally. But this is like very near and dear to me because I talk to so many people, especially because I'm coaching thousands of people in my community. And I always see this. The sales process is weak, either for them or for their clients. Today, we're going to try to fix that. And I think we definitely can. All right. So in your pipeline, what you need to have ultimately in HighLevel, whether this is for you or your clients, you need to have this entire thing automated. Stages automated via automation and AI chatbots going back and forth 24/7. And you need them trained properly. So this prompt does just that. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to take this prompt, we're going to copy the entire thing, and we're going to come right into Ask AI. If you don't have this enabled, go to Labs, enable it. Guys, this is huge, by the way. Like, we're building a freaking sales team with GoHighLevel in minutes. You got to do this. We're going to paste this entire thing into Ask AI, and we're going to click enter. No fillable fields. We're just going to paste it in, and from there, it's going to build it out so we can then copy and paste what it gives us. Boom. Look at that. It is built out everything from stages, pipelines, tags, and as you see here, it's built out all of the perfect prompts you are going to need to copy and paste into the automation builder to build this out. I mean, look at this. Custom tags, custom fields. And if you go in here and you look, you can see it is built out all of this. I mean, it is absolutely absurd. Email templates, even the AI agents. Guys, this is absolutely insane. I mean, if we come to AI agents, and we come to voice AI, and we come to agent list, boom. Sales voice assistant, we come to conversation AI, boom. Sales assistant. It is built all of it out. You see how powerful this prompt is? I mean, guys, I'm not kidding. This prompt is insane. And guys, this took me a while. For those of you who don't understand, prompt building is not as simple as just asking ChatGPT to give you something. It has to work properly with the GoHighLevel builders. And oftentimes, they don't work properly. So you have to do a lot of nagling and fixing, and this took me a long time. And you can get this completely free for signing up with my 30-day free trial down below. That way you can get access to my community and all my other bonuses. We're going to talk about that later. But it's free. You don't have to pay me for it. That way you get in, and also we can show you how to use more of these on the calls. But as you see, these kind of prompts are absolutely huge, and I've done all the work so you don't have to. And again, you see it built out all of this. I mean, you can come in and test this stuff. It's absolutely absurd. It's so powerful. But we are not done yet. Because now what we need to do, that we have this all built out, is we need to then build out these automations, because this is what's really going to get your sales process automated. Because if you don't have the right AI bots and you don't have, the right automations, this thing is not going to be automated at all. You're going to have to be manually moving people from stage to stage. You're going to have to be manually messaging people. It is a pain in the ass. You don't want to do that. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to build every single one of these. Again, this prompt will do that for you, and you can do that. I'm going to show you how to build 1 or 2, and then you just build all of them. Simple as that. We don't need to go through every single one because it's literally just copy and pasting into the builder. So now pull up the builder, come to automations, come to build using AI, and what we're going to do is we're going to click this button, and we're going to take this exact first one. So we're going to take this entire thing just like this. All you're going to do, you're going to copy, and you're going to come right over here, and we're going to paste this in. There should be a promo running at the time of this video. They have it all summer where you get free AI, so you're going to definitely want to check that out because who doesn't want free AI? But we're going to paste this entire thing in, and then we're going to click enter. And what this is going to do is this is going to go through and it is going to build out this automation for us. And then one by one, we're going to build each of these with the goal being to build out an entire automated sales process because we have the AI chatbot connected with the automations. From there, everything is automated. So let's let this thing work and then let's go through it. Boom, look at this. It is fully done and dusted. Look how incredible. I absolutely love this. So now what you need to do to make sure this is all properly right is first things first, you need to make sure we have the right form set up, or you make sure you connect it to the right pipeline, which again, if we come over here, is this one right here, which is the marketing pipeline, which also this entire AI prompt will build for you. So very simply, all you need to do is come in and make sure these things are connected to the pipeline you created. Very simply, you can go in pipeline. Again, you come right here. This will be built for you using this prompt, so it's all going to be done, and you're just going to click marketing pipeline. Then you pick the exact stage, which would be new lead, or wherever you want, and from there, you have it already connected. And again, very simply, you're going to come to this builder, and you're going to go through one by one, then copy and paste appointment booked, then copy and paste no-show recovery, and you're just going to copy and paste all of these into the AI builder and do this exact thing. Go through, make sure it's in the right pipeline, just like this. Make sure it's connected. Everything else is already filled out. We have emails built in. We have all this stuff already done for you. Like I made this as simple as possible, so all the work is done. All you have to do is copy, paste, copy, paste. We're gonna do that 5 times. Just like this, or actually 7 times. I went a little above and beyond over here. Then from there, make sure these basic parts are set up. Again, the emails are already done for you. The wait periods, all that stuff is already done. You don't need to worry about that. You just need to come through and make sure your stuff is configured and it has the right pipeline data. Then turn it on to publish and test it. From there, all 7 workflows will be set up, and then this is already dialed in. If we come to AI agents, come to voice AI, or not voice AI, but conversation AI, this sales assistant, we can just put it right on here. We'll come right in here, and we'll add in SMS and email, and from there, you're done because everything is already set up. And obviously, you can rename this and test it if you want, but it's all set up. Like, again, I have done this to be as hands-off as possible. Like I made this to be easy for you, not to be you being confused, like what the hell am I doing? I wanted to make this as simple as possible. And guys, the amount of times I had to redo this prompt because we would put it out and then it wouldn't build the AI chatbot. It just wouldn't obey. So we had to tweak and tweak and tweak. And I build these things to save you time. That's why I do this, because otherwise it is just a pain in the ass. So again, quick recap. You're going to come right in, okay? Take this exact prompt right here. You're going to want to come in right to Ask AI. You're going to paste it in. From there, it is going to give you all 7 workflows, AI chatbots, pipelines, everything you need, and you just copy and paste into the AI automation builder. And then from there, you do the little connections and you're done. It is that simple. Again, as you see here, it's already all filled out. Like the emails, they're done. It's already all filled out. The text messages, it's done. It's already filled out. You just have to go through and put the finishing touches on it. And from there, you are good to go. And you can build a legit sales team with GoHighLevel. It's not a joke. This is real. And if you guys have questions and you're confused at all, drop in the comments down below and I will answer. And here's the thing too, if you guys want help with this one-on-one, like you want someone to like show you what's going on, because some of you guys may be like a little confused, like what do I do? Don't worry, I'm not trying to upsell you on anything. I have a free community that you can join with my 30-day free trial down below, and we'll help you with this stuff, okay? You get access when you sign up with my link to all of my communities, so you get to message people, as you see, full of winners crushing. You get access to all of my trainings and videos and other AI prompts. We have a lot more of these to literally do everything. Again, all free, even Dom's bonuses, all of this stuff. But most importantly, you're going to get access to 7 live coaching calls to help you with stuff like this. Like if you come in and you're like, dude, Declan, I'm a newbie. This is overwhelming. I don't know what to do, but I also can't pay someone $10K or whatever, a couple $100, whatever your budget is to, have to help me. Don't worry. You don't have to do any of that. You can just hop into this community for free. I mean, you see, call with me, free. They're all free. These ones say registered, but it's the same thing. They're free. You just come in and we have calls on literally everything. You come right in and you get access to all this, whether you want to set up high level, learn how to sell it. But we built this community so that you guys, especially the newbies, you guys can get the hand-holding you deserve. And again, there's not some massive payment gateway where I say, hey, pay me $10K and you have to do all this stuff, or there's a bunch of sneaky upsells to my special coaching mastermind. There's none of that. If you don't believe me, click the link down below and look at the testimonials. Like no one does it like I do it. We run challenges. We do all kinds of stuff. Also, you can come up in this top corner and message me whenever you want if you have any questions. If you're like, man, this is confusing, I'll answer. I'm always active in here. Like, this is all I do. I'm like the high level nerd. I just sit back and work on this and help people. So you're going to get access to all of this for free. And again, you get access to this by going right down below and signing up with that 30-day free trial, not the 14, but the exclusive 30-day. And you're going to access to this amazing prompt, which I really think you need, because if you're not properly building out a sales pipeline that is automated inside of GoHighLevel, or you don't have this kind of stuff, you're literally leaving money on the table. This is not me just trying to give you some scarcity or FOMO. Like, I talked to a lot of you guys are not doing this properly. I'm being dead serious. You're legitimately not doing this properly. And it's like, if you guys want to get to the next level, you have to do this stuff right. So again, guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. I will answer personally, but I really do think this is going to change your life. So thanks again for watching, guys. Go right down below, sign up with that trial, get access to all this stuff, the prompt, community, all this free help. Again, no upsell. But most importantly, watch the video that's about to pop up in a second, because it's going to be going over AI voice agents on GoHighLevel. I think this is something you just need to know. I have another free prompt in that video, but that way you understand from a higher view, this is how we build more sales systems, because it is based on sales. So thanks again for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.